Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a look at the heater control valve. You may find you have a case of hot air coming into the cabin although your heater is on the off position inside. In this video I'm going to show you what causes that and other issues that also goes wrong with the heater control valve. Okay, so let's just look at the function of the heater control valve. The heater control valve allows and regulates coolant to go into the matrix, which is your heater, and that is hot coolant, which allows you to get that hot air coming into the cabin. So in order for you to demist your windows and just to have more heat in the car. So this is your switch over here, which you use to activate the heater, and as you pull that lever inside the cabin here at the heater control valve, this lever will pull by means of this cable here, and that gives you that opening of the heater control valve. So what actually happens with the heater that continues to blow hot air is because this cable detaches out of this lever here, and that is why you will have that hot air coming into your cabin continuously, even though if you pull on the lever inside the cabin, it is not actually going to do anything because it's not attached to here. So this little lever here will stay in this position and you'll have hot air coming through. So that is the reason why you have hot air coming into the cabin. So it may just be a simple fix of clipping this back on. But before you reattach that cable, make sure that you put your lever inside the cabin to the off position, and once it's in the off position like down there, then you will proceed to put this cable back on. Just hook it back into the hole down there, and then you will see that it's adjusted and set properly. Because if you're going to set it wrong, it's not going to work, because then the heater control valve won't be as effective as it should, so you won't get maximum hot air coming into the cabin when you require it. So you need to set it right at the bottom there with the lever off inside the cabin, then you put on your cable. So what also goes wrong with these heater control valves, it's a plastic product, so they will wear out with time, you know, due to age, and so they do develop cracks and things like that, and they commonly like to leak here just around where my thumb is pointing to now, and also just generally they develop cracks in the areas where they connect into the hoses. So you need to just take the valve off and do a physical inspection. That's why it's very important to check on parts like this, because they wear with age and sometimes we forget about them. So regularly just do a check and check for moisture and for visible cracks. And most importantly, check if the cable is attached to the valve. Well, that's it for that part. I hope this helps you and it'll give you a better understanding of the heater control valve. Have a look at some of these other Mark 1 content. I've put a link up there for you.